Hello everyone, this is Daniel Lee. I wanted to do my recap for today. It's a very simple trade, but I think it's important to show that as well because you don't have to. Sometimes it's, if you have the chance to take something simple, why not, right? We're not here to suffer. So anyway, Google. I like Google. It was gapping up enormously. You can see here in the daily. It was gapping up from 1140 to 1228, so that's a lot. You can see on the chart it gapped it all the way from this space right here. It was in the middle of this space, right? And I read it on the news in the morning, and the news I read in the morning that they had an amazing increase in profitability, net income. I think that's the correct word. Um, that's why, right, on news, which is always better. What I saw here was the 1 minute. Let's go. It was below the VWAP, right, as it started. It was looking like a little weaker, like, well, some profit taking most likely. And then it started going up, and then the second 1 minute candle, it broke through all the resistances that were there. And I knew that on the daily we didn't have that much going on, and it just kind of engulfed everything that happened. You see in the 2 minute, it was also a 2 minute engulfing, right? On the 5 minute, it was almost like a 5 minute engulfing from the pre-market. So it just looked very strong, and I'm breaking above all these moving averages. Since it was minute two, I did take kind of a large what's the name? A large stop, right? So my stop was all the way down here, below this week, even below the VWAP, right? But still, I took it. It was still like a $5 stop, so you might say, well, that's a lot, right? But it's all relative, right? I took an amount of shares that was relative to that stop, and then I waited. Luckily, it just became a rocket, just keep going. And maybe a good move would have been to wait for this pullback and then buy again once it breaks it a second time. That could have been good as well. But then I just waited 2 to 1, 3 to 1, another 3 to 1 to lock in some profits, and then 4 to 1 twice, and then a little bit more than 4 to 1 I got all out because it was very extended from the VWAP, but seems like it doesn't care. Like, you can see this. Maybe I should have held some more shares, but already having a great day and so extended from the VWAP, who knows, I could have probably maybe tried to do like an ABCD here, but as I said yesterday, my new rule is no trading if I'm done with an over 3 hour. Especially now that it's Friday, I just don't want to go into the weekend giving back profits. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you.